How to download Visual Studio Code in Windows. Official website will appear here. Click on it. Click on Download according to your operating system. It will automatically start downloading the exe.file. See, it has been started downloading. While it's getting download, let's explore the website. Overview. Then Setup, it will show you list. Get to the Windows. See the installation guidance. Scroll down. User setup versus system setup. You can explore if you need any guidance related to the Visual Studio Code software.
Great.
It has been downloaded. Click Agreement and Next. It will show you installation path. Click Next, and check the box if you want to add Visual Studio Code in your Windows Explorer, and click Next and click Next. Installation started in your operating system. It will take a moment to start. Click Finish.
Great.
Superb. It installed successfully. You can change theme according to your mood. I will prefer dark modern theme. You can change to light and dark high contrast. Scroll down and click Markdown, and welcome to the page. Click New File. Click on Python file. You got it. And start happy coding. Welcome to the Visual Studio Code and write code. Save it to the computer or laptop with name and run it. Congratulations!
You are a coder now.